To Police Brigadier General Alessandro Abella, sir, happy birthday. I'm Police Colonel Pamela Disquitado Balasabas. I am with you with the Presidential Security Group as our Chief Presidential Protection Unit. During those times, sir, sa haba ng panahon na nagstay tayo doon, nakailang engagements din tayo, local and abroad. And one of the best thing that talaga namang hindi ko makakalimutan sa'yo is the way you handle your men. Chill lang, pero nakakahiyang hindi sundin. You are my mentor, especially sir, na ngayon na ako'y nagli-lead na rin ng tao. Nakita ko naman na pwede naman talaga tayong maging mabuting commander, mabait. Pero siguro sir, ikaw lang yung mabait. Medyo mahirap sundin yun sir. And being a chill commander, pero sabi ko nga, hindi pwedeng hindi sumunod dahil nakakahiya para kay Sir Abella. Hindi alam ng mga tao mo, sir. Baka hindi nila alam, sir, na magaling kang sumayaw. During those time na may Christmas party, pinasayaw ko kay sir ng, alam ko, sir, kasama ka dun sa mga napasayaw sa stage. And even during unit presentation. So, pwede naman yun, sir. Ngayon na ikaw ay malapit na mag-retire, ito na yung panahon, sir, to reminisce all those times. Pwede namang magsayaw-sayaw at darating na rin yung time that you'll be spending your precious days with your family. So, bilang isang naging kasamahan mo, sir, naging tao mo, na maligaya ako, sir, at matatapos mo ang iyong service sa PNP. At saludo ako, sir, bilang isang commander. Sir, happy birthday.
Mula sa puso ng Pilipinas, Hope of Marian Taps, Marinduque Police Provincial Office, happy birthday and happy retirement, Major General Alessandro Abella, former Provincial Director.
Police Major General Alessandro C. Abella, on your retirement to the PNP service. God bless you, sir, from PBE family.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sir Alex! Enjoy your retirement. God bless and good luck to your new journey. From the Israel family. Thank you very much, sir. Police Senior General Alessandro C. Abella, for your service to PNP. From Area Police Command Visayas family. Good luck!
Yan. Bok. Oh, happy birthday, Bok. Welcome to the club. Mga retired, buti hindi ka inabot ng yung resign. At least retired ka. Nice.
Bok, happy birthday. Isipin mo na lang kung anong dahilan mo para makaalis ng bahay, ha?
Bok, ang magandang dahilan, mag-golf ka. Mahaba-haba din yung biyahe at saka yung sa palo. Kaya excuse ka palagi pag maglalaro ka ng golf. Happy birthday, Bok.
Si Congressman.
Kumpadre, happy birthday. Kita mo, ang background ko, nasa ibang bahay ako. Ha? Pero siyempre, hindi ka namin makalimutan. Happy birthday and happy retirement. At least naka-retire na walang problema. No? Welcome to the Relax Group. Siguradong gagaling ka rin sa golf at yung handicap mo bababa. Maraming salamat po sa mga support sa ano natin, sa mga programs natin nung nandun pa ako sa Region 2. Thank you.
Oh, alam mo ba kung nasaan kami ngayon?
Oo nga, timing po.
Timing.
Nag-google kami dito sa Davao. Ako yung host.
Oh, yun. Oh. Kaya, pag retired mo, alam mo na, dapat mag-practice ka para makalayo rin tayo. Sibok, congrats.